Now, let us see how actually Hitler destroyed democracy in Germany. It so happened that Hitler was given the chancellorship in Germany, the highest post by the president, and he made use of that post. There occurred a mysterious fire in the Reichstag, or the German parliament, and slowly thereafter, on 28th February 1933 was passed the fire decree, as it is called, by which all the rights which had been given by the Weimar Republic were suspended. The freedom of speech, expression, movement, everything was taken away from the German people. If this was not to be the end, on 3rd March 1933, the Enabling Act was passed, according to which dictatorship was firmly established in Germany, and all the political parties except the Nazi party were banned. So, that was the beginning of a strong dictatorship in Germany, and at the helm of affairs was Hitler, who would become very, very strong, and there was no opposition. Well, in order to see that his powers remained intact and he actually would become strong and stronger every day, apart from the normal police which was there, the stormtroopers and the Gestapo, that is the secret police, were formed, who used to actually pick up all those people who were against dictatorship, against Hitler, and who had sided with the Weimar Republic. They were tortured and badly killed. Well, that once Hitler had actually become strong or had become a full-fledged dictator, he started with the work of reconstruction in Germany. Now, as far as the economy of Germany is concerned, he left the entire plan to Hjalmar Sachset, who is the one responsible for the super highways in Germany and also the people's car called the Volkswagen. Now, Hitler politically wanted to make himself stronger. So, he pulled out Germany from the League of Nations and he recaptured Rhineland, and he gave to the people a slogan, "One people, one land." When Hjalmar suggested him that he should not invest yet in rearmament because the time was not ripe, as the Germans had still to revive from the economic depression, was not liked by Hitler, as there was no place for people who advised Hitler against what he wished. That is why Hjalmar had to run away from them. Hitler believed in just one thing, that he had to fight against the war, against the world, and for this he needed arms. So, he was not ready for it and he started preparing himself for rearmament. I continue with it in the next clipping.